So hey guys, in this video I will tell you how you can unlock your temporary or permanent locked account in Snapchat. So guys, before knowing the steps, first of all let us know what is the exact cause of this problem. So guys, whenever you violate the Snapchat guidelines, then you will face this kind of issue, and also if you use any third party applications or modification applications, then you will also face this kind of issue. And friends, if you want to fix this issue of a Snapchat lock account, then first of all try to unlock yourself. So for this, you have to wait at least 48 hours and then try to log in your Snapchat account. And guys, if you will not able to log in your same device, then try to log in new device, because it can also fix this problem. And if you find a appeal option, so try to submit an appeal, because this can also unblock your Snapchat account. So guys, if your Snapchat account is permanently locked, then in that situation try to contact the Snapchat support, because they can help to recover the permanent locked Snapchat account. And guys, if all this option not work for you, then try to create a new Snapchat account in new device. And friends, if you have any questions or doubt, please comment on this video. Must like and subscribe to channel to get more interesting and informative videos like this.